Good morning, everyone. I am here and discussing about basic trigonometry. Objective of this topic is to demonstrate understanding of the basic concepts of trigonometry. To illustrate the six trigonometry issues: sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. The topic is the trigonometric ratios of and this topic is to identify the trigonometric ratios and Pythagorean theorem. Reference of this discussion is from plain trigonometry books by heart. Uses is I only use manila paper and pen. Presentation. This topic is expecting that the student know how know the two types of a triangle. The two types of triangle are right triangle and the oblique. But in junior high, they are only discussing only on right triangle because the oblique triangle is more complex. It is discussed already in college proper. First, we will identify the six trigonometric ratios and the Pythagorean theorem. This is a right triangle. A right triangle has an angle of 90 degree. This one. Along the longest side is represented as C, which is the hypotenuse, and B, which is the opposite side, and is A is in adjacent side. It depends also on the angle theta is located. Okay, I may proceed. Pythagorean is we will find the angle, the sides. We can use the Pythagorean theorem with this, which is his formula is c squared is equals to a squared plus b squared. That is the formula. Okay, let's go to the six trigonometric ratios, which are sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, cosecant, and secant. Sine theta by angle is equal to this is the angle which is theta. Sine theta is the opposite side, which is B over the hypotenuse, or B over the C. So we can create a formula of the trigonometric ratio sine theta equals to B over C. Cosine theta by angle is adjacent side over the hypotenuse. And tangent theta is the opposite side over the adjacent, which is B over the A. And there is also the reciprocal of the sine, cosine, and tangent, which is the reciprocal of the tangent is the cotangent. Cotangent theta is the reciprocal of the tangent b over a, which is the adjacent side over the opposite side. Cosecant theta is the reciprocal of the sine opposite side over the adjacent, which is the adjacent side over the opposite side, which is a over b. Oh, sorry. Cosine theta is the reciprocal of the side, which is the opposite side over the adjacent side, which is the hypotenuse over the opposite side. And then second is the theta is the adjacent side over the hypotenuse, with the reciprocal the second cosine is the second hypotenuse over the a. Now I already present to you the six trigonometric ratios and the Pythagorean theorem. As I said earlier, there are also a oblique triangle, but it is already discussed in college proper for students in the college proper. For junior high, it is only focusing on the right triangle and the basic trigonometric ratios and the Pythagorean theorem. Generalization of the instruction of the lesson is to learn or recall the summarize the six trigonometric ratios. Uh, and the assignment is the answer page 406, number 3 and 4, from letter A to C. Thank you for listening for me. Good morning.